We're at the oldest lighthouse in Michigan. Let's check it out. So we start our adventure today in the gift shop, which has a bunch of cool Michigan things that you can buy, and it's also where you buy your tickets. We were given a tour guide who is a volunteer, doesn't make any money from this, just loves the lighthouse and the grounds, and she gave us a tour of the ground with the buildings all around and the lighthouse, which is coming up later. This building that's on the property was the sound room. This is where they had a steam horn that would alert ships in the distance. And it also includes some of the old lightkeepers' uniforms and some of the old lights that used to be atop the actual lighthouse itself. Back out on the grounds now, we get a nice backside view of the property, as well as the lighthouse and the lightkeeper's house where they lived. Let's go inside the lightkeeper's house and explore. So here we are at the entrance. You'll see these stairs that go up top. Those were the bedrooms, and we weren't actually allowed to go see those, but that's where the lightkeepers used to sleep. Here's the sitting room / living room area with some cool old knickknacks and a copy of All Quiet on the Western Front. That couch looks super comfy. And an old record player. You tell me what this is on the carpet. And here is the kitchen, along with the oldest refrigerator I've ever seen. All right, now we're finally going to the lighthouse itself, and we're gonna have a look around inside. Now, the original lighthouse was built in 1825, but it was poorly designed and constructed, and it actually fell during a severe storm in 1828 and collapsed into the river. This one was built in 1829 and is a lot more sturdy than the original. Dude, I love spiral staircases. They're the best. Originally 65 feet high, this tower was extended to its present height of 82 feet in the early 1860s. Now, this stairway here, very cool looking helix design, spiral staircase going up to the top, has 94 iron stairs. And we're gonna climb all of them.
Ow! You're doing it. What did you do? I was looking down.
Alright, finally at the top. Yep. Finally at the top.
There she is.
Yeah, when you're looking up and you have the rust patina.
That's a nice view around here. And that up there, that's the spot we can't go. It's federal, right? Okay. Because that's where the actual light is.
You scampered up there and...
Okay. Okay.
There was a little handprint.
So I work with like...
Ooh. This is actually sketchy up here. It's super high. What a view though, eh? I wasn't afraid of heights until like 2 minutes ago, and I really looked down and I'm like, oh,
Yeah, it's, you know,
it's high up here.
80 feet.
80 feet.
Yeah.
Back down. So I am inside the oldest lighthouse in Michigan. 94 steps, that was really high up too. This is my favorite kind of staircase. It takes you forever to get up and down it, but it's so cool looking. All right, back to the bottom. Oh, use hand, oh, okay. Got it. Okay, another interesting thing is by the lighthouse there, across that other land there is Canada. That water over there is super dangerous for ships because it's the lake going into the river, and so that's one of the main reasons that the lighthouse is there. Luke, would you live in that house?
Dude, honestly, yeah. I kind of like the red shingles, I'm not gonna lie.
I mess with it, dude.
Duplex, you know.
$750 a month plus tax.
$750 a month, yeah.
So we got a guided tour from Judy. She did an amazing job. I highly recommend you come here and take the lighthouse tour. definitely worth it. Costs $12. Just pay it. It is so worth it.
Judy's goat.